Florida, known for its sunshine and beaches, can also be a dangerous place when nature strikes. Hurricanes, with their powerful winds and torrential rain, can cause devastating floods in the state. The combination of heavy rainfall and storm surge can lead to widespread flooding, leaving communities devastated. Residents are forced to evacuate their homes and navigate the treacherous waters. Emergency responders work tirelessly to rescue those affected by the floods. In the aftermath of the hurricane, communities come together to clean up the damage and rebuild their lives. Even in the face of adversity, hope and resilience prevail. Florida's beauty and resilience are a testament to the strength of its people.